Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we have some freebies and cheapies and money makers over here at Rite Aid. And then you guys are just here, most of you are probably just here for Walgreens. And I was able to get this deal for a $1.78 money maker today, including some items that have reached clearance here. It's always your mileage may vary with clearance. You might have it in your area, or it might take 2 months to get to clear at your store. But we're gonna talk about clearance first off, and then I had a spend 20, get $5 of Walgreens cash that worked beautifully today. I had one little snag with some Crest coupons, digitals, but everything else worked out beautifully today. The IBC book, or the big book of savings with all the IBC, which are the store coupons over at Walgreens, they had withheld all of them, so they don't have them out circulating in the store, so they're still having issues at my store with them scanning. So they were not on the floor, so I didn't do any deals with any IBCs. The Scott Kleenex is a really good deal because there's a $1.25 IBC, so I'm gonna wait on that. I could have done it digitally, but I just wanted to wait. Also guys, this morning, 4 boosters showed up for me. 2 of them were 5 off of 25s, and then 2 were 10 off of 30s. They're not activated till later in the week, and it's going to be going for like half of this week and half of next week, so we'll have to play with those and see what happens. So that's also going to be fantastic. Go into your household tab of your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account, see if you might have them, and then definitely load them because we'll definitely be able to use them later in the week. It says sneak peek on them because they have yet to be activated. Weather report for you guys. It is a bright one out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. It's kind of so sunny and that snow makes it almost blinding, so I'm gonna close the blinds there. Anyhow, I hope my mom's having a fantastic day. Okay, so the first deal that we're gonna talk about is some clearance stuff. Now this Oral-B, it's called Cavity Protection. It's a newer type of mouthwash, and I guess some of them are just not doing very well with customers, or I don't know. But anyhow, this guy was on clearance for $2.29. We have a $2 digital coupon, guys, so it drops it down to 29 cents for this big thing of mouth rinse. I mean, that's just a fantastic deal. Any way you slice it or dice it, I would definitely look for this because 29 cents, it's fantastic. Okay guys, so I was on the hunt for more of that 40-cent candy I was finding last week. Couldn't find any. Tons of this sweet tart though, 90% off. I'm going to show you some UPCs as well. It's always your mileage may vary too with clearance. It might be cleared here, and then maybe in Texas it might be next week, or Texas might be the same time. So just be on the lookout for this, and it's always, again, your mileage may vary. I didn't buy any of this. Fun story for you, about 3 years ago, I chewed into something very similar, and I lost an entire tooth in the back of my mouth. So I'm kind of like, I'm good. I just have a weird phobia with this sort of candy or anything of a gummy consistency. I'm like, I think I'm good. I do not want to lose another tooth. But anyhow, if this is your thing, be on the lookout for these 90% off. It doesn't get any better than that. This basket, I had 2 different boosters. I had a $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20, along with a home mailer, which was $3 of Walgreens cash when I spend 15, and both of those, in fact, stacked. So the first item that I grabbed for this basket was 3 of these Downies for $8.97. They're $2.99 a pop, and when you buy 3 of them, you get it back a $3 register reward. It basically makes one of them for free. And I had one 50-center from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th that I utilized. There's one from the January P&G, but as you can see, this is 40 loads, and I think that one was for 60 loads, so it probably won't scan. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Colgates. They are $5.98 for 2. And then I had $1 off 2 from the Smart Source of January the 17th that I utilized. And then you get back a $5 register reward, basically making it for free. And then I grabbed 2 of these Colgate, or 2 of these Crest toothpaste for $5.98. And I had a $2 and a $3 coupon, paid the difference, and then I got back a $3.50 register reward. So for the purposes of this basket, guys, This is $23.22 for all of this stuff. And so I got the cashier to scan the $3 of Walgreens cash when you spend $15. I also had the $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 loaded to my store card. I presented one 50 center from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, just one for the Downy. And then I had $1 off too for the Colgate. And then I had a $2 digital for this one. And then the one hiccup that I had was my $2 and $1 coupon did not come off. Customer service later put $3 on my store card. Let's just pretend that $3 came off. You're paying $16.72 cash out of pocket. Because my boosters were spend blah, 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 I had to pay cash for the balance, guys. I got back $11.50 in register rewards. Yes, all of them printed, plus $8 in Walgreens cash. 5 for the 20 booster, 3 for the 15 booster, making this haul free plus a $1.78 money maker. So over at Rite Aid, there are a couple deals to be had and found, and believe it or not, guys, I did this all with flyer coupons and digitals, which is really kind of funny if you think about it. I did this over 2 store cards. So this was store card number 1 for the 2 rulers and 2 Irish Springs and the 2 swabs. And the second card, I just grabbed 2 Irish Springs and 2 rulers. So these Irish Springs 6 count of the bar soap, and I grabbed this one because the body wash, yes, it is in fact included, and I have dollar coupons for that, but I was more interested in this bar soap. I actually like these rulers now. So these guys are $3.99 a pop. We have a $2 in ad. You'll pay the $1.99 out of pocket and get back $1 of bonus cash, and you can do it up to 2 times. So that's really fantastic. But this is kicking back a little bit of razzle dazzle and extra. These rulers, which are the Rite Aid one, they're 74 cents. You would pay that out of pocket and then get back $2 of bonus cash, which is a $1.26 moneymaker. You can do that twice per store card. So grabbing the 2 Irish Spring and 2 rulers, after I subtracted $2 in ads, I had to pay $6.03. That included my tax out of pocket. And then I got back $6 of bonus cash, 4 for the 2 rulers, and then $1 each for that. So to pay 3 cents for these Irish Spring bar soap, that's fantastic. Again, I went with the bar soap because my father-in-law is a huge fan of bar soap, and we barely get deals to get it that inexpensive. I think it's a generation thing because, like, I only like body wash, but the older generation tends to like bar soap, so that's enough bar soap for him to last him probably for the next year. He'll be so happy with all of that. So I got both original and the deep action scrub. And again, I did this on mine and my husband's store card. Another quick deal for you guys to do is with the Suave. These are on a buy one, get one. Look how obnoxious I am with this now. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off. So the first Suave is $2.49. I went with the men's because, I don't know, I don't have a lot of men's body wash in my stockpile right now. This guy's $2.49. This one at 50% off is $1.24. So for the 2, that's $3.73. We have a digital $1.50 off of 2. After that, you'll pay $2.23 out of pocket, and they have an offer of $2 of bonus cash when you buy 2, making it 23 cents for the 2. And I submitted my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app and I got 200 points for this purchase. So it basically made it a freebie after everything is said and done. So if you could get out to Rite Aid to do some of these deals, at the very least the ruler deal with the Rite Aid stationery, go and make it happen. I mean, these deals are on fire. It's absolutely fantastic, and I really love it when you can, you know, pay 3 cents for Irish Spring. That's what it's all about. Okay, guys, before I skedaddle, I posted a video last night, some different gain deals over at the Dollar General. I know a lot of you are just pharmacy, pharmacy, pharmacy. That's all I want to do is shop at pharmacies. New Year, you might want to check out the Dollar General. 100% digital deals, very easy to do. I will link this video at the end. Please check it out. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.